Hi guys, in the last video we saw about data integration and also about the correlation analysis and about the correlation analysis for numerical and categorical. So in this video we are going to look into the chi-square test where it can be used to find the correlation relationship between the two attributes where these two attributes could be the categorical data. So for categorical data, a correlation relationship between the attributes A and B can be discovered by the chi-square test. So the chi-square test is denoted as sort of x square is equal to summation where I is equal to 1 to the element C and j is equal to 1 to the element R, where Oij minus Eij the whole square divided by Eij. This Oij is nothing but the observed frequency, which is nothing but the actual count, and then Eij is the expected frequency, which is known as the whatever you are expecting that you will be actually you will be calculating. So the formula for the expected count is here. So the count of A is equal to AI into count of B is equal to Bj divided by n. So you might feel or you sounds to be like sort of confusing with the formula. Don't worry, you will understand what is observed frequency, what is expected frequency, because we are going to look into a problem here so that you will easily understand. So chi-square calculation example we are going to look into it. Let us take an example where there is where you can find a male, category of male and category of female, and there is also a category of male who likes the fiction signs and who don't like the fiction signs, and the category of female who likes the fiction signs and then who don't like the fiction signs, and then the total for the row wise and then the total for the column wise is also given here. Okay, so now let us find, so these values, so each and these values are considered to be the observed value. So whatever they have given here are considered to be the observed value. We need to find out the expected value for each and every component, that is for each and every cell you need to find the expected frequency. So each cell is being numbered as E11 and then E12. So likewise we will be numbering each and every cell. So now let us take the cell E11 where the category is a male and who likes the science fiction. So as per the formula, as per the formula, there is expected frequency. The formula is count of male into count of fiction, count of male into count of fiction. So the count of male is nothing but the count of male is 300. So 300 into 450. What is this 450? Count of fictions. The people who likes count of fiction, it's 450 divided by the total number of the people who likes fiction, who do not like fiction, irrespective of the category male and female. So the total number is 1500. So count of male is 300 and then the count of people who like fiction is 450. So the answer will be 90 for the cell E11. So the expected frequency is 90. When you come to the next cell E12, what happens is the count of female, maybe I'll write it here, the count of female into the count of fiction, So the count of female into the count of fiction divided by the total number of people who likes fiction, who does not like fiction, irrespective of male and female. So the count of female is 1200, just 1200 into the count of fiction is 450. So the count of fiction is 450 divided by 1500, which is 360. So the expected value for this cell is 360. When you come to the cell E21, what happens is you will have the count of male. So you will have the count of male into the count of non-fiction, divided by n, divided by n. So the count of male is nothing but 300 into the count of non-fiction is 1050 divided by 1500. You will get 210, which is the expected value of the cell E21. When you come to the cell E22, then could you guess? It will be a count of female into count of can you guess, non-fiction, okay, divided by n, divided by the total divided by n. So the count of female is 1200 into count of fiction is 1050 divided by 1500, which is nothing but 840. So the expected value is 840. So for each and every cell, the observed value is already given. The expected value is found by the formula expected frequency, right? So we have found it. So according to this chi-square formula, how we will find the chi-square value? So the chi-square value will be the observed minus expected the whole square divided by the expected. So if you take each and every cell, it will be 250 minus 90 the whole square divided by the 90, plus if you come to the cell 50 minus 210 the whole square divided by 210, plus 200 minus 360 divided by 360, and 200 minus 360 the whole square, plus 1000 minus 840 the whole square divided by the expected 840, which is nothing but 507.93. So this is the correlation between the male and the female, which likes the signs and the non-size fiction. So this is how we find the correlation analysis using chi-square test, correlation test. You also call this as a Pearson correlation analysis. Hope you understood this chi-square calculation example. Thank you.